Hi guys, it's Asuna here, and today I want to talk to you guys about how I've been repairing my damaged bleached hair. It was around during quarantine when I decided to go blonde because I was getting bored of my standard black hair, and once I went light, I did not want to go back dark, and with the help of my roommate, she helped bleach my hair multiple times during quarantine because a lot of hair salons were closed at the time. But bleaching your hair is a very delicate job, so I have accrued some hair damage and breakage. So today I want to talk to you guys about some tips and tricks that I've been using to help repair my damaged bleached hair. I have a lot of hair breakage from the last time that I bleached my hair because I accidentally overlapped my already bleached hair with more bleach, and my hair just could not handle the chemicals, especially on the top right portion of my hair over here, this section. And so that was about 7 months ago when I went to go see a stylist who told me that I had to take extra good care of my hair to prevent any further breakage. In the past month, I've been using the brand called Hair Food. I was really captivated by the name of the brand, Hair Food. It sounds like it would be really nutritious, healthy, and great for your hair, so I wanted to try it out, and I've been noticing really great results with it. It has been bringing a lot of moisture and shine back into my hair. I'm currently using Hair Food's Nourish line, their shampoo and conditioner set. This is the coconut milk and chai spice scent, and it smells so very amazing. It has a really nice creamy sweet scent to it. I love it so much. It smells wonderful. This is also sulfate free, which helps retain the natural moisture in your hair and helps prolong the life of my hair color. It is also paraben free and cruelty free as well. Now, when I come out of the shower with wet hair, I use a microfiber towel to towel dry my hair. Microfiber towels are much better for your hair because they have much smaller fibers and they're densely packed so that it cuts down your hair drying time in half. So just in general, it is much more gentle for your hair. You don't have to do any rubbing or tugging on your hair, which causes friction and breakage for your hair. On days when I have to be right out the door and I don't have a lot of time to get ready, I still use a blow dryer, but I use it on cool setting because heat damage can cause a lot of breakage and damage to your already brittle hair. So I really try to limit the use of heat tools on my hair, including curling wands and straighteners. Another really important thing that I do is that I never ever brush my hair when it's wet because your hair is very fragile when it's wet. So I make sure that my hair is completely dry before I use any detangler to comb my hair. I've also recently introduced Hair Food's hair oil to my hair care routine, and I've honestly noticed such a big difference since I started using this. This brings a lot of shine and nourishment back into my hair. In the past, I've always avoided using hair oils because I felt like it would make my hair kind of greasy, but a few tips and tricks that I've noticed with using hair oils are that you should avoid applying it to your roots or scalp area because I feel like that's where your hair produces the most amount of oil. So I avoid my scalp area and I try to focus more on the ends of my hair, especially since I've bleached my hair. My hair is a lot drier than before. I also find that you have to pick the right hair oil for your hair type. Now, it's kind of based on your hair's dryness level, and I find that this hair oil is really great for my hair. I've tried a few other hair oils in the market and they did make my hair feel greasy, like I said, and by the time it was the next day, I felt like I needed to wash my hair because my hair just felt way too oily. So I really think it's about finding the right hair oil for your hair type because this one is just really compatible for my hair type. I love the consistency and it doesn't make my hair feel greasy or oily the next day. It's just really wonderful. A little goes a long way with this product. I only use one pump for my entire hair. I apply it to the palms of my hands, then I spread it out, and then I focus on the ends of my hair since that is generally where my hair is drier. I generally do apply this when my hair is dry, but you can also apply this when your hair is damp as well. Lastly, I would like to mention how important it is to trim your hair. Now, when you're trying to promote hair growth, I know it may seem counterintuitive to trim your hair, but it's actually very important to trim your hair because it really helps with the health of your hair in case you have split ends that can cause worse breakage for your hair. So whenever I see my hairstylist, he always reminds me that I need to do a little trim. I'm always a little reluctant, but I do so anyways because I know that it will help out with the overall health of my hair. These are tips and tricks that I use to repair damaged bleached hair, prevent further breakage, and promote hair growth in general. I absolutely love being a blonde, but being a blonde is very high maintenance, especially coming from jet black hair. When you go from jet black hair to blonde, it is very invasive on your hair. It's a very intense chemical process, which can be very damaging on your hair. So I ensure that I do everything that I can to maintain the health of my hair so that it looks luscious, voluminous, long, and healthy. I want to thank Hair Foods for sponsoring this video. I love the mission of their brand. It is to feed your hair. It is very simple and straight to the point. They have a number of products on their site. I love the Nourish line because I find it to be the most suitable and beneficial for my own hair needs, and I've noticed great results using them. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you have any hair related questions on how to maintain your hair being a blonde or how to maintain the health of your hair in general, feel free to leave a comment down below. I will love to try to answer all of them. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.